Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to correct grammar and spelling in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To correct grammar and spelling, we will use the GPT Edit function. For this example, we will correct the grammar of sample children's comments. First, click on the cell where you want to put the corrected comment, then type this formula, =GPT_edit, open round bracket, then click the cell containing the comment you want to correct, then type close round bracket. Press Enter and after a few moments, the extension will correct grammar and spelling. So, that is how you correct grammar and spelling in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.